Remember when I made those mini peppers? Well, those stuffed mini peppers? Well, I had so much filling left over that I was like, let me just make the real thing. Or the full-size version, I guess. And then I also think that like the mini peppers were sweeter than these ones. But it's essentially the same dish. And like I said, we zero waste around here. So I definitely gotta get rid of all that filling I made, because I made too much. I did do a few things differently this time around. I used more tomatoes. I just loved them cherry tomatoes. They were so good. And I also used way more cheese this time because why not? And here's how it turned out. It was really good. The only taste difference was that these peppers just weren't on the sweet side. This is more savory. And I'm probably not doing no more taste tests after this because I burnt my damn tongue. I don't eat hot food. Like, I like to let my food sit out and get kind of cold before I eat it sometimes. Don't judge me.